the plant that one of them plants is completely covered.
I don't know if you can see this, but this is the front door. This is as far as we can open it. And this is outside. I can't open the front door any further than that. That's my car right there. That's the other car. If you can see the streets out there, totally and completely covered.
She got that good.
It's still blowing too hard. It's too cold to go out there right now.
I don't know if they realize they're really putting their
lives in snowing. It's still snowing.
You can't walk on the sidewalks because they haven't been shoveled yet. So people are saying, well,
this is our little neighbor. She's always the first one out here. I think she's crazy right now because they're still saying we're gonna get another
5 to
10 inches, and she's gonna be right back out here again. So if she was smart, she'd wait till it was finished. But it's a good thing I got Derry because he's gonna be shoveling the snow, not me. We'll see about that, homie.
shoot, that's at least about 14 right there.
You sure gonna get right on out there and do it.